Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best hydrogen torch is probably one of the most fascinating tools I've ever come across. Today, we're diving deep into the world of this incredible device, exploring its capabilities, and seeing if it lives up to the hype. From precision soldering to heavy-duty metalwork, this torch promises to deliver unparalleled performance. Join me as we uncover the secrets behind its power and determine if it's the right tool for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. FunOwlet Butane Torch, Culinary Kitchen Blow Lighter. This is the FunOwlet Butane Torch, a versatile tool for all your culinary needs. It's perfect for a variety of cooking tasks, from searing meats to creating the perfect crème brûlée. It is a must-have for any kitchen. This torch uses butane fuel, which is not included for safety reasons. It is compatible with butane canisters that have a metal ring around the top and a 1-2-inch slit missing. Make sure you have the right fuel before use. Beyond the kitchen, this torch is great for crafting, jewelry making, and even camping. It is a handy tool for various DIY projects. The possibilities are endless with this versatile torch. Featuring a single-touch piezo ignition, this torch is easy to start. You can adjust the flame size and shape to suit your needs. The stabilizing plate ensures safe operation. This torch can be used in reverse 360 degrees, offering flexibility in your cooking. The adjustable flame intensity reaches up to 1300 degrees Celsius 2500 degrees Fahrenheit. It is designed to meet a variety of purposes. This torch is the ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's easy to use and provides great results. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This torch is designed for versatility. With its 360-degree reverse use, it's perfect for any angle. The easy piezo ignition makes it super convenient. If you are looking for a kitchen torch that can handle everything from crème brûlée to DIY soldering, this is the one for you. What people say. Torch works well with butane canisters with large adjustable flame. Knob on rear adjusts fuel flame size. Trigger ignites the flame, but it's not necessary to hold the trigger once lit. Number 4. ARTFLAMM Propane Torch Gun, Barbecue, Camping, Fire Starter. Looking for a great gift? This is perfect for dads, moms, friends, and family. It's a fun and practical gift that everyone will enjoy. Note that the tank and propane adapter are not included. This flame gun is designed for grills and starting fires. It's fun to use and speeds up the process of getting your grill to the right temperature. Family and friends will love the show. The adjustment knob allows you to control the flame from small to strong. Once you turn it on, the flame stays lit until you turn it off. It's perfect for cooking, gardening, and weed control. The ARTFLAMM propane torch gun is very sturdy and well built. It feels solid in your hand. You can rely on its quality and the after-sales service. This torch can sear steaks and roasts perfectly. It's great for starting fires, killing weeds, and more. It works well for outdoor use. What we like. This propane torch gun is a blast to use, with its adjustable flame and powerful output. It's great for grilling, camping, and even weed control. If you like a tool that's both fun and effective, you'll love this one for all your outdoor needs. What people say. The torch is very easy to use. The flame is adjustable, allowing for precision work. The torch heats up quickly and provides a consistent flame. Number 3. Brass Welding Torch, Dual Fuel. Introducing the Brass Welding Torch, a versatile tool for various welding tasks. This torch is designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It supports both oxygen and MAP Pro propane fuels, offering flexibility for different projects. This dual fuel capability makes it a valuable addition to any toolkit. The torch can reach temperatures up to 64-32 degrees Fahrenheit, 3000 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for welding, brazing, and soldering. Its high-temperature output ensures efficient and effective results. The design includes 100% anti-backfire protection, ensuring safety during operation. This feature prevents the nozzle from being burned, extending its lifespan. The second valve on the handle allows for convenient gas adjustment. This feature provides precise flame control, enhancing the user experience. With its precise flame output, this torch allows for accurate and controlled welding. This ensures clean and strong welds every time. What we like. This welding torch offers high temperatures and precise flame control. The anti-backfire design ensures safety, and the second valve on the handle makes gas adjustment easy. If you are looking for a reliable tool for welding, brazing, and soldering, this torch is the perfect choice. What people say. The torch is very easy to set up and use. The flame is very hot and precise. It is a great torch for small jobs. Number 2. BERNZOMATIC WT2301 Trigger Start Propane Torch. This torch features a trigger start ignition, making it incredibly easy to ignite the flame. With just a simple press, it's ready to go. This feature saves time and effort on any project. The webbed flame is designed for a variety of household projects. It's perfect for small diameter soldering, thawing, melting, and various heat applications. This torch is a versatile tool for many tasks. This torch is designed to be used with propane fuel. For best results, use it with a BERNZOMATIC 14.1 ounces propane hand torch cylinder. Make sure the fuel is properly connected before use. The angled stainless steel burn tube ensures durability and efficient performance. This design helps to direct the flame effectively. This ensures a long-lasting and reliable tool. The flame control valve allows you to easily adjust the flame size. It also allows you to extinguish the flame when you're finished. This feature provides control and safety during use. What we like. This torch features a trigger start ignition and a versatile webbed flame for various household projects. The flame control valve allows for easy adjustments. If you have small soldering or thawing projects, this torch will be a great help. What people say. The torch is very easy to use. The flame is adjustable and can be used for a variety of tasks. The torch is well made and durable. Number 1. 300W HHO Gas Flame Generator Water Welder. Orders are shipped via FedEx DHL. You can expect delivery within 4 to 6 days. This ensures your business operations experience no delays. This machine is both economical and environmentally friendly. It uses readily available fuel, and its maximum gas output reaches up to 95 liters per hour. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around. Despite its size, it offers a large maximum gas output of 95 LH. It has an electrolyzing capacity of 1,800 milliliters and consumes only 0.03 L per hour. Water is easy to acquire and refill, making it an inexpensive option. It operates at a low working voltage and includes an automatic cutoff feature if the voltage exceeds the set limit. This ensures safe operation. It uses electrolyte and cold distilled water as fuel. The package includes 2 gas torches, making it ready to use upon arrival. What we like. This gas flame generator uses water as fuel, making it an economical and environmentally friendly option. It's lightweight and portable, with a high gas output. If you are looking for a unique and efficient solution for acrylic polishing or other applications, this is the one for you. What people say. The torch is very easy to use and lights up immediately. The flame is very hot and works great for soldering and brazing. The torch is well made and feels solid in the hand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.